Welcome back. When you are creating your PowerPoint presentation, you will see in the right side panel a tab you can click called Design Ideas. And basically, every slide that you have, you will be able to use some Microsoft templates in order to redesign your slide. So when you go to a different slide, you'll see different design ideas. And you can choose to use these design ideas on your presentation. Now, once you have sufficiently designed your PowerPoint presentation, you can then turn your entire presentation into an animated GIF. And you can do that by going to the File area and then going to Export your presentation. Once you get to the Export area, you can click this link that says Create an Animated GIF. You can then determine the parameters of your animated GIF. For example, if you want to determine the timing, you can do that. If you want to make the background transparent, you can do that. Once you have the parameters, what you can do is you can click Create Animated GIF. You can then save your presentation as an animated GIF. PowerPoint will then start the process. You can watch the progress at the bottom. And then once the process is complete, you can check the directory where your new GIF is. And your GIF will then be available in your directory. And you will see it begin to operate on a continuous loop. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.